guys, welcome back to my channel Uniquely Jazz. My name is Jazz Mari, and in today's video I'm gonna be defining my curls on my short natural hair, and I'm gonna be using a comb because I don't have like a brush, and I'm gonna be using the all natural curl defining cream in the Eco style gel, the olive oil one. So I already parted my hair. I wasn't sure if I should or shouldn't, but I wanted to like do it in section. So I'm just taking a little bit of the curl defining cream and I'm applying that first to my hair and combing it out and massaging it in and combing it out to like detangle it and stuff. And now I'm taking in a little bit of the Eco Style gel and I'm like applying it in my hair, and I took like a little bit at first and then I started to like take a little bit more, like a medium size, finger combing it and like raking it. If this video gets to 10 likes, then I will do more natural hairstyle like related content. So my hair is still like short and like still like transitioning, so that's the reason why it looked it the way it did, like kind of uneven. But the back of my hair, like that's the reason why it looked it like that. But the front part of my hair and like the top has like looser curls than the back part of my head. But this was pretty cool to do. I was impressed with the way it looked. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys like enjoyed this video. I do like the way that it came out. Like it looks pretty good, and I am impressed with the way it looked. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not new, then welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys on my next video.